Welcome to Teaching Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed pondering on intellectual intelligence, intellectual humility intelligence last week, where I covered dimension 1 and 2 of intellectual humility. This week, I would like to explore with you 2 additional intellectual humility dimensions, dimension 3 and 4. Intellectual humility. The third dimension of intellectual humility is being capable of changing your views. If you are an intellectual who never changes their mind, who is not prepared to revise their view in light of new information, it's going to be obvious when you write. It means as you read, literature doesn't move your viewpoint. It means you are stuck in your own very narrow way of thinking. You're not wanting to absorb or to even embrace multiple thoughts, multiple ideas, and infuse them into your own. And your writing will not have depth, and it will be so clear and obvious that your intellectual humility is compromised. When you're intellectually humble, you also understand that you are not the brightest. In fact, the more you know, you really realize how little you know. So we call that not to be an overconfident intellectual. Brilliant intellectuals are not overconfident. They are humble because they realize that the more they know, the more they realize actually how little they know. So you look at a professor. A professor is someone who knows very, very little. They just know something in depth around a couple of variables. So those are the few dimensions, and I'm really introducing a very interesting topic that you need to ponder upon, that needs to shape you as an intellectual. So remember, your goal is to be an intellectually mature person. Intellectual humility, I would say, is a term that is interchangeably with intellectual maturity. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week when we talk about somatic intelligence.